It is a create product. Okay. So what you need to do, go to your create product.
Yeah, that's what HTML.
Yeah. Here, you take this view, okay, and add another control here. You say image file path. Okay. Simply you say product image. Okay. Take the same thing here. Instead of type equal to number, you specify file. Okay, so that you are trying to upload a file here. You come back, image, file path, and then you will have image, file path. Understand?
Okay.
Understand, everyone? So what you are going to do,
Yeah.
you are going to collect the image file path from the model as a string and image file path and image file path. Now, try to run the project. Click new. You see there is a chosen file. Say yes or no.
Yes.
Everyone. You choose a file with an image. Select any image in the picture. You go and take any image. Okay, what is the image? Any picture you take. Saved pictures. Okay, I'm taking this screenshot. Click open. So now I'm uploading the screenshot with the product cost I'm entering. Now what happened when you use a Samsung television? I'm saying Samsung television. When you go to the brand Reliance, something like mobile, I'm saying cost is 12,000. When you submit, you see it is not submitting. Samsung Reliance and everything is there, but image is not handled properly. I will show you. Go back. Let it be. Where is your code? In the code, go to solution. Go to your controller. Under the product controller, you see there is a create product. Now you see this model doesn't get the image. When you submit, well, the model is holding the image name. Screenshot name is there, but the screenshot name is not alone sufficient for you to submit the button. So what you need to do, you need to go back, go to product model. There is a small change you are going to do here. In the instead of string, you have to pass IFormFile. IFormFile. Okay. And then right click, quick action. You have to use this. Hey, not this one, just a second. Is it correct only, right? Ashok?
Yeah.
It is installing the ASP.NET HTML feature. Now you see, I got IFormFile. what will happen when you are uploading any file, the entire file content will be comes here. Okay, entire file content I am getting here. Now, if you go to definition, you got a content header, name, file name, reading the data, copy, everything will be there. Okay. So when I upload an image, what will happen? This form file path will automatically taken care. Okay. Image file path does not return a null. It should require
Equal to null. Null.
equal to
Null.
I'm making as null. Okay. On top of that, I'm going to have an attribute. What is my attribute? Required and error message upload an image. Okay. Now save it, run a project. New product, Samsung Mobile, description. Okay, I'm selecting a brand as Samsung, type as mobile, choose a file, select the screenshot and say cost is 12,000. You see the form file will having a data. What? Why it is null? Why it is null? Image file path is null. It's correct only, right? Product image, IFormFile, validation is there. Type equal to file. Now go to product, create product model. I'm using an IFormFile. What else is required? No, this is not required. Okay. I'll try to run it. Create product. Samsung Mobile. Just use Samsung Mobile description. Samsung Mobile. Select this.
Go to create product model.
Whether we are using same property or different
Hmm?
create product model. Can you go to, sir? Can you go to that implementation?
You need to get through. You need to get through web HTTP web host.
I think some issue is there.
Web
I'm
host
checking.
environment. You need to capture first web host, right?
It's correct only. IFormFile with HTTP. Correct only. I'm using this one. IFormFile with HTTP.
No.
What is the issue?
Go back to
It's
HTTP
correct.
post on controller. On control, go to control. Controller.
Wait. This is correct only. Input type equal to file, class equal to form control, ASP for is image file. Then what is the issue? See, that's all. You're getting that collection. That's it. The HTTP post, you're going to get the collection.
Web host.
You're not doing anything. This is, huh? HTTP post. Here also you're having a HTTP post. Same only. Why it is not taking the file? Let me do one thing.
Line number 63.
Let me remove this. Create product. Samsung mobile description. What the hell is happening, man? Yes. Okay. Got the point? When you upload any file, you should add this as well.
Encrypt type, right?
Come again?
That is the encrypt type, right?
Yes. Encrypt type, multi-part of form data. When you use a multi-part of form data, what will happen? It will allow you to upload image, document, everything. That's what. My code, whatever I written is correct only. Only thing is I'm thinking why it is not coming, why it is not coming. Sometimes you see, na, you may not aware of things or you may forget. Samsung mobile description. Samsung. See, got it?
Yes.
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 So this is how it is. Okay. One second. Okay. Model state. ఏమైంది క్లాస్లో ఉన్నా హలో ఏమైంది సడన్ గా అవునా సరే ఓకే క్లాస్లో ఉన్నా నేను పనుకుంటాను ఇది వాట్సాప్ చేద్దాం okay, so you have create product with the model, and create product will have a IFormFile, and then you are using. Before you pass the model, okay, before you want to pass the model, do we need to store the file in your local drive of your application? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Mahesh, Ajit, Mahesh, Biren.
Yes.
Do we need to do that, right? So what I'm going to do, very simple code which I'm going to write like this. Okay, first I want to do, go to solution, under the solution root folder, I create a product folder. What folder I'm creating? Product folder, products. So all the files should be stored here. Understand my point? All the file will be stored here. To store all the files, this root will comes through a static file by using a constructor called private read-only iWebHost builder. Okay, so this is the object you are going to get the root folder. Okay, how you will get this object? Here, you need to inject that object. iWebHost environment or builder? Yeah, it is iWebHost environment. Sorry. So iWebHost environment. I say web host environment. Here you need to change iWebHost environment. From the environment, you are going to have that saying underscore iWebHost web host environment. Okay, and then here web host environment. Now come down. Here you need to get the file path, string image file path. File is equal to underscore web host environment dot content root path. This is the first thing you have to get it. Okay, when I say content root path, this www.root folder will come. Once you get this www.root folder, what you need to do, you need to concatenate an image file. Is equal to image file. You can simply say plus equal to, you can add slash product. Okay. And then, do we need to get a form file? Say yes or no. Do we need to get a form file from the product model? And you need to create a GUID for that form file. So what do you need to do? String file name equal to GUID dot new GUID you are creating. Whatever the file, let them do. You are going to get as a string. Once you get the string, you are going to concatenate that string into this image file path, image plus equal to file name. Okay, so you got the environment path. On top of that, you are adding a product, you are creating a file name, and you are concatenating the file name. And then using where stream, hold on a second. Sometimes you have to take an help. Using where stream, okay, stream equal to new file stream dot file stream of image file comma file mode dot create. Okay, and then you simply say model dot image file dot copied of string. Model, what is your model? Model dot image file path dot copy to string. Whatever the image file path you are getting, that you are going to copy into the stream so that it will create a file. Once you've done that, what you need to do? You need to pass file name, right? Whatever the file name you are creating, this will be go on store. Before that, let me show you. Create new product, Samsung television, Samsung television description. Okay, brand is Samsung and television. I'm choosing some file. Okay, I'm selecting this file. I'm saying 35,000. Now you see there is no model state. It is coming in. First, you are going to get a image file path. Now you see the entire root folder is coming. Entire the project root folder is coming or not? Say yes or no. Come on, guys. I want answer from everyone. Akhil,
Yeah.
Biren. Your voice is breaking, Akhil. Nitin, Biren Mohammed,
Yes.
Srinivasarao, Swapnil. You see, I got a store. Now what I want to do? I want to go add a product. Now you see, I got a product. I got a product or not? Now I'm creating a file name. With that file name, I'm adding the image file. Okay. Once you get that, here there is a problem. I need to add www.root. I have to add a www.root. So what I want to do, let me stop the project. www.root. Okay. And then once you get the www.root, what you need to do? this extension you need. Okay, so how you need to get an extension of the file which has been uploaded. So what I need to do, image file plus equal to model dot image file path dot path extension. Extension is not coming. File extension, sorry. File name dot extension. No. How we get this here? Okay. So you have to use path.get extension. So what you need to do, to take this path dot get extension from the file name. Okay. So I got a file name. I got a file name change. Everything happened. I'm going to create that model and then file name will be pass it here. Understand my point? Say yes or no?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now what I want to do I need to store only the file path, file name dot path, or you have to do everything? You should use only the file name dot path extension. So what I want to do here, string file path equal to file name. What happened? Path dot get extension model dot image file dot path. So what will happen? This file path, I'm going to pass it to my create product. So what I will do, I'll simply say file path, okay, and go to my create product, go to my definition. I say here string, okay, file path, okay, and then this guy implementation. This is iProduct service. Now go back to product service. Okay. Create product. Here you have to pass string file path. Okay. And this is the path you have to add here. File path. Okay. That's all. You don't need to do anything. Now what will happen? A new file will be created and then that file path will, a new file will be created. That file path will be go and store in the database. Now you see. Create product, Samsung mobile description. Okay, I select a Samsung, I select a mobile, choose screenshot. I say product cost is 12,000. Now come down, F11, image file. You got a root. And then I'm adding a root, you see. And then I'm creating a file name and I'm adding that file name here. And then I'm adding the file extension. Now see, did I add a file extension with the file name? Say yes or no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The entire file path is coming here. Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes.
Now, I am
Voice is not coming.
I'm not able to hear you. I think so. You are in mute.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes. No.
Some numlock has been happened. Sorry. So now you see there is a file path with the extension. This file path I'm sending to the here model. Now you see the product model is holding image file path. Product model is holding image file path or not? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to save this in the database. Done. Reliance I added. I got the product. I'm uploading the file. Now what I want to do, I want to display the image after the type name. After the type name. So how do I do that? Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me how to display the image here? Simply go to your index. Where is my index? Index. Here you say title header, image, product, image. Okay. Now come down here. I say td img src is equal to product slash at model dot at product dot image file path. Okay, added an image or not? Am I adding an image or not? Ashok, Nitin, everything. Now you see.
Yeah.
You see, I can able to see an image.
Why we are adding products, sir? Before image file path. Why we are adding that product slash product? We are
Under the
storing in that
product,
location.
under the product folder only you are storing, right?
Okay.
It is taking this much time.
have issues in HTML, I will.
No issues, nothing.
You need to mention tilde sign, tilde
Okay,
tilde
sorry.
sign.
XYZ image is not there in folder.
Okay, I think with the naming convention, it should be products, not product. It's a products, okay? That is why it is taking time to load. See, it is taking the file. File is taking time. See, images came. Image is available or not?
Yeah.
See, now what I want to do? I want to make this image with a bit of CSS apply. So how do I do that? Link, no, style, attribute, img, width equal to 100 pixel, height equal to height colon 100 pixel. Okay. Now save all, run it. I'm taking the tag, I'm identifying the tag. The tag will have a width and height I am fixing. Now you see width and height has been fixed with the image. Say yes or no?
Yes.
Right.
Perfect, right? Now I'm deleting. Again, I'm deleting. Again, I'm deleting. Now you see a proper product has been added. Now go and create another product. I'm saying Vivo Mobile. Vivo Mobile. Description. Let me take the image. Some image I want. Where I can go. Let's go to this. Take this guy. Go to admin one. Under root folder. Images. Products. Take this. Okay. I say 231300. Submit. While submitting, just run. See, it's added.
Right.
Yes or no? Image
Yes,
is
sir.
added or not? Everyone. Ashok, Nitin, Akhil, Biren, Mahesh,
Yes.
Srinivasarao, Swapnil. Are we adding an image with the product? Are we
Correct.
creating an image with the product?
Correct.
Now go here. In the solution, you see 2 images are added. iTask logo. Another one is the image what we added in the source description. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Everyone. Do you have any questions? Akhil, Biren, Bora Bhargav. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Am I audible or not? Prasanna,
Yes, sir.
Srinivas Rao, Swapnil.
Narendra,
Swapnil.
why you are
Yes,
adding
sir.
the image file name as some different ID, right? Adding file name along with the date and time is enough.
No, that is not a best practice. Always a best practice is go with the GUID. GUID will be a unique specifier. Okay.
It will
So
generate
if
it, right? Randomly.
yeah, it will generate a unique value, right?
Okay.
So always use GUID. Recommend people to use GUID, not for the other values.
Yeah. I
You
understood.
can see
I
you
thought
can use
it will be, yeah. This is also a very professional way to make it. Duplication of same name, same date and
yes.
time, it will be confusing. Okay.
Yes. See, even a person who want to see, you are uploading a file and Prasanna is uploading a file. At the same time, at the same millisecond, at the same thing, na, think about it. You understand, right, Akhil?
Yeah. Yeah.
But if you use a GUID, even you upload, one GUID will be created. When Prasanna is uploading, another GUID will be created, which is
It will
best.
be closely coupled.
See, because I faced this challenge in my older project. My
Yes,
tester
yes.
did that. He simulated that. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
If I upload at same time with the 2 different image, what your project will do?
Not able to differentiate.
You can't able to differentiate with the same file name. You will be in a problem, right?
Yeah.
So always a best practice GUID.
Okay.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
if you find in a database, so it's a very big, no?
Which one?
To the GUID, this that you created the key. It's a
That's
primary
not
key,
a
na,
big
correct?
na. That's not a big na. See, hardly how many products you are going to create, Swapnil. Is it a
No,
master data, right?
sorry, master data, that's not required for the transaction. If we
Transaction,
use
you
it,
are not going to use any GUID, right?
okay, then not an issue. Okay,
See, whatever product you are going, see, GUID is a primary key for you, right, Swapnil?
correct.
So, primary key, while doing a transaction, you won't do, right?
Yes,
Understand my point?
correct.
That's what. Anything else? See, very simple, yeah. This guy, the web host environment will have a content root path. Okay. That means it will go to the application content file. What is your application content file? This guy is your application content file, under which you will have a root folder, under which you will have a product folder. So what I'm doing with that image file, I'm adding root and products. Okay. And then I'm going to create a file name with the GUID.new GUID. And file name, whatever the root file will have with the product, I'm trying to add that file name. Whatever the file you are uploading in the model, we are going to get the extension. Whether it can be image, whether it can be a dog, whether it can be XYZ. Okay. Okay. And then finally, you are going to pass that image file with the file creation as a stream. And then copy that stream to the image file path. Whatever the file path you are getting, that path you are going to copy to the stream. Immediately what will happen? This guy will create that file here. Okay, after creating that file, do I need to go with the file name along with the extension? That file name we are passing to the create model. Okay, this guy, whatever the file path you are passing, you are just adding here. You are not doing any major logic. Very simple logic you are doing. Understand? Akhil, Bora Bhargav.
Yeah.
So tomorrow, how are we going to modify this file with the help of update and delete? Okay. Shall we do that tomorrow?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sure, no.
Fair enough. Once we done that, once the delete is completed, day after tomorrow, we are going to deploy this project solution into Docker and see how it works. Okay? Okay or not?
Yes, sir.
I want everybody should be available tomorrow. I want everybody should available on Saturday. Sunday, I will give holiday. Okay? Make sure Saturday, I'm planning for Docker deployment. If I'm getting 1 people also, I will do it. Because last Saturday, nobody has joined. Sunday, nobody has joined. So I want definitely this Saturday, I want everybody should be present. Okay?
Sure, no.
Make sure your commitments.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you all. Have a great
Thank you.
day.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.